How to download and get Windows ISO file for free.
Okay, what's up guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Kuyamar channel. Okay, for today's video I would like to share with you a tutorial on how to get a ISO file for making a bootable device. So first, if you don't have yet downloaded the tools for getting an ISO file, so let's just go to download Windows 10. We can see that download tool now. So as you can see, we have different kinds of version, Windows 7 and up to Windows 10 Pro. Okay, so let's gonna download that tool now. So download, see. Okay, so to the download, just click this media creation tool. Okay, click yes. Okay, let's just wait. ISO files is approximately a larger files. It contains almost 2 GB or 3 GB. It depends. So let's just wait and wait. Okay, so let's just accept that. Okay, let's just choose create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file. Just click next. Okay, so is the recommended option Windows 10, Windows 10 edition, so we're gonna choose that. ISO file. Next. And then we do it in the local disk. We have file name. Let's try to rename it as Windows 10. Okay, let's save. And then it will download until it 100%. Let's just wait and wait and wait. 2%, 4%. Percent 91 92 93 yes 6% lang. Yes, it's only 5%. Okay, 4. Okay, that's it. We're going we're going to finish 99%, so it will verify. just wait. Let's just wait again. So it kind of a bit slower, not getting higher percent, still 0%. So let's just wait. Let's take a patient waiting until it almost done. So please don't forget to subscribe and also comment and click the like button and also the notification bell button to be updated to my latest video. Hope you like this video, so just let okay, waiting. Okay, it's almost 5%. So we're almost done. So we're getting 100% progress. Okay, finished. So we have now a Windows 10 ISO file. So it may take a few minutes, so let's just wait another. Okay, so since it's almost done, so we can see that on local disk D. So let's find the yes, here we are. So we have now a Windows 10 ISO file. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching and hopefully see you in my next video.